Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark from video. So through this video, I'm going to show you a new method to remove watermark from video without blur. First, you can just open up your browser and then you can try to just use this keyword, how to remove watermark from video. Okay, you can see Google will show you some of the tools that you can use to remove logo or watermark from your videos. You can just choose which one. For example, in here, I'm going to use this Media.io. So you can just tap on Remove Watermark now. But first, before using this feature, you need to log in into the Media.io first. You can log in using your Google account or email, Facebook or Apple ID or X. So here I'm going to just use my email address. And then you can just tap on create account. Now after the account has been created, you can just upload the video that you want to remove the watermark. So in this case, I'm going to just use a sample from this any eraser or Media.io. This video, for example, this is the watermark. So what you need to do is just select the area in the photo where you want to remove the object. In this case, this one's right here. I'm going to just brush it off. Let's reset or undo. Okay. You can also adjust the brush size if you want to just brush off the watermark like this. Make sure that all of this the watermark is selected. And now after that, you can just click on remove object now. Now it's processing. You can just wait until the process is finished. Okay, so within seconds now the watermark has been gone. You can just tap on download in here to save the result. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.